I cannot leave out mountains because mountains are so sacred, starting with Kailasa and so many mountains because they're the source of water, life, fertility, and healing. Himalayas was the source of the sacred rivers such as the Ganga, played a vital conservation of nature and natural resources. And they provided a comprehensive ecosystem. Each mountain play a vital role in the survival of species. Sacred mountains and sacred sites within mountains have resulted in communities maintaining and preserving the natural resources, pristine conditions.